Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you create resume CV with ChatGPT. So you need to have an account in ChatGPT, and if you have an account, just go to the ChatGPT website. Now in the bottom here in the message bar, click on it and type for make a resume. Just hold on guys. Now you can just copy it like clicking here, or you can just simply copy it like this. And you can put your personal information in this CV. So guys, that's how you can create resume CV in 1 minute. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.